Hello, my name is Pavel Alvarado. I'm co-founder and CEO of Minero Inc. Today I'm going to talk about Minero Suite 1.0 Plan Optimizer. Plan Optimizer allows engineers to get the most value of the open pit. In this exercise, we will get Marvin pit shells, which will be generated using Minero Compute Value and Optimal Pit tools. Let's double-click in the Minero icon to start. We're going to use a raw dataset called Minero Marvin Block Model. This original dataset contains information of coordinates XYZ, ID, AU, CU, density, and slope. Variables such as AU and CU contain gold grades and copper grades. Variable slope has geotechnical slope angles. For instance, in variable slope, minimum slope angle is 35 degrees and maximum slope angle is 42 degrees. We're going to use compute value application. Here we're going to insert classification, process name meal. For the purpose of this example, process could be a default process cost default value is 4. Also in processes, we're going to insert two processes. Gold and copper. Here we're going to input grade variable, in this case AU for gold and CU for copper. Also grade price for gold is 11.8 and for copper is 12.8. Recovery default values for gold is 0.6, 0.88 for copper. Next default density value is 1. Finally, I'm going to save these compute value parameters for future reference. I'm calling it compute value and it has XML extension. Then I will run it. So I have now dollar values goes from -4 to 18.79 dollars per ton. Dollar minimum value is -4 and maximum value is 17 or 18.75. The metric unit for dollar value in this particular exercise is dollars per ton. I'm going to visualize dollar values by enabling render property, color annotation. So the ranges for dollar were from -4 to 18. I'm gonna put 18. I'm going to go up. I can go up and down, go up with up key, and I'm going to go, I can go down with down key. I'm going to run optimal pit using the results from compute value. Start in the Marvin block model. In optimal pit, we will need to select block model, Marvin block model, also dollar variable, a default angle is 45. Okay. In this particular exercise, I'm using a default angle, but I can use also an angle variable. It's there. Also, I can run optimal pit using dollar variable, an angle variable slope. In this case, the slope contains the geotechnical information. Once this is done, I'm going to give colors and rename the pit shells. Okay, pit shell 45. Stop. Green. So pit shell 45 degrees in blue, pit shell slope in red. For more information about the pit shell total value and time, they can be displayed in log window. So the first pit shell total value was 10,000. The pit shell slope was 16,300, and this is the time. We can visualize the difference between this graphical difference between these two pit shells on the block by block on all benches. On the bench by bench level, on all benches. Once again, we accomplish another activity in Minero. This time we were able to get optimal pit shells in a few minutes. Don't hesitate and visit us at our webpage, www.mineromining.com. We'll be happy to answer your questions and suggestions. In the name of the Minero team, I have to thank you for your time.